Hello, everyone. This is Denise, and I'm going to show you how to edit a library instruction session or workshop you entered in LibInsight. From the LibInsight menu near the top, click on Analyze. When the next screen appears, scroll down and select the date that you facilitated the library instruction session or workshop. Next, from the Add Additional Report filter, click on Select a Field to Filter, and then choose Assistance by Category. Next, click on the box underneath Assistance by Category, scroll down and click on Library Instruction Presentation, and then click on Add this filter to the right. Then click on Generate Report. Find the instruction session or workshop you need to edit and click on the three dots all the way to the right. When a menu appears, click on Edit Record and then change the information on the screen to correct it. For instance, if I need to change the number of attendees, I'll go to that box on the right and change the number, and then click on Save Changes. If you have any questions, please reach out to me.